Hello friends, today I am here to tell you about the how to learn English front of the people. Okay, so if you are thinking that English is a very easy to learn, as you know that, but there is need to do a hard work, little bit hard work. By this you can speak front of the people. So there is no need to be speak a long sentence, speak a less and tell your sentence in a easy way to the people. Okay, I would also like to tell you that whenever you go anywhere, okay, try to talk with the people with whom you don't know about who he or she. Try to speak with them. Also, I would like to tell you that speak also with your friends, teachers, and your parents. Okay, and I would also like to give some tips related to how to enhance your English. Try to read your English books, novels, listen the news in English, and try to watch a English cartoon. By this you can understand what the words is coming from the many different kind of the devices and the by the people. It means that I would like to also say that try to speak a correct pronunciation. Okay, thank you.